that's it. Okay, perfect. Let me go to my main camera. And before I really go to my main camera, my game is still starting. There we go. Alright, we're live, and as you guys can tell by title and thumbnail, today I'm going to be working on rigging it. Actually, in my title and thumbnail, you guys can't really tell that I'm going to be working on rigging the stream. That said, I'm going to be working on rigging and making my meshes. Actually, I'm animating my meshes in general. Last stream, I did work on creating my male mesh, where I still didn't work on making my hair and my clothes. And actually, I worked on making my clothes, but I didn't really work on my hair and my color. So that's left for that, and then basically just rigging and drawing UIs is left, and that's going to pretty much conclude the entire game once I actually add it to my Unreal Engine. And in this part, which is basically part 18, day 221, leaving me with 29 days in total, I'm going to be actually trying my best to get it shipped by the end, like before the deadline, because I think I like to keep some, I think like a few days in hand time stuff. And that's it, let's move on to my gameplay screen. Okay, so basically, firstly, what I did want to do is I wanted to think, did I want to go with my Hannah final copy or my blend? So I have my closest chat here, where I'm gonna go to, let's say something like let's say I want to add rigs to my meshes here. So I want to go ahead and add some rigs to my meshes. Although for my female mannequin, I already have a walk animation, but I want to go ahead and let's say something like that and add another animation. So should I create another copy of my main final mesh with 0 animation or something like that, question mark? And guys, I just realized that I gotta be speaking way too loud, or my music kind of takes over my voice. But that's a great question. The answer: do not make a copy of your mesh the rig way. Let me go to Unreal Engine real quick. Not Unreal Engine. I'm gonna extend this, because I usually extend this and all that stuff before stream, but I didn't have much time today. That said, you do not need to duplicate your mesh for each animation. That would be a nightmare to manage. The right way: use NLA Editor, non-linear animation. Blender handles multiple animations through actions. Here's the workflow step by step. Select your rig, mesh / armature, open the action editor, switch the bottom editor, action editor. Okay, you'll see existing walk animation as an action. Click the new action button, the little sheet icon, to create a fresh action. This won't touch your walk animation at all. Animate your new animation in this new action. Push both NLA editor by clicking the push down button. This stacks them and keeps them separate. Each thing to know: each animation is its own action. Same rig, your mesh rig stays single object. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open my Hannah's blend right up here. There we go. And let's see my animation real quick. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and run it. There. Okay, my legs kind of get together there, so I'm gonna go to my final copy as well. Let's test this too. I want to see in my... Hey man, hiding Dex, I appreciate you joining the stream. Okay, this has an extra leg that moves in front, so this is my final copy. It is, right? Okay, so in my final copy, I'm gonna go ahead and add another animation here, which is for is there a plus here? Let's go with Window Shift S. Okay, let's go ahead and paste it and say something like, yeah, I'm here. What should you do to get into another animation? Okay, let's see. Okay, I can see you already have a walk cycle open. Steps to create. Look at the bottom of your screen. You can see walk cycle. I might have this open in my other window so I can actually follow the instructions here. There we go. Okay, let me just load it in real quick. So I see my walk cycle, right? So beside my walk cycle, click the walk cycles is a name field. This or that. Click the drop down. So walk cycles is name field. Where is my name field? New action. Oh. Wait, what? Okay, and then new action button, it looks like a sheet slash duplicate. Ah, I see. Icon by the rename it to idle. Okay, rename it to whatever your animation is. Let's see, so do I want it to have a death animation or a idle animation? I might go with idle because that's something that I need. I just wanna stay that. There we go. And then start posing and keyframe your new animation walk cycle. Start posing. Protect your walk cycle first. Before creating a new action, click the shield slash take user button. I'm sick of the little F. Cause something can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing. Okay, wait, protect your walk cycle. Before creating new action, click the shield slash take user button. Little F next to walk cycle. Society's insane, we all live for fame. Yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up. Alright, what F are we talking about here? I just wanna get caught. Just make sure Blender doesn't delete it when you switch away from it. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad. Let's try to delete my keyframes here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and switch to my walk cycle. There we go. So I have my walk cycle, but I don't really have my idle cycle. Okay, for my idle, I'm gonna go ahead and add idle. I need to start doing this idle cycle. Okay, if I were to hit tab here, nothing happens. That's good. So I might add 20 for idle. This is gonna be 20. Okay, and just to make stuff easy, I'm gonna remove my armor top. There we go. Because I realized this way it's so much easier. Actually, no, man, I don't think it's because usually the clothes get in my way, so I can't actually see how my arms actually move to the side. I'm gonna go to pose mode. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed, baby, I'm back. Okay, so what kind of animation should I have? And my legs are not really aligned together, are they? They are not. Or I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna hit R and just kind of Is this my regular walk though? Okay, what if I go with that and then I click something like RX? Y. That, and then I'm gonna click that. Let's go with RX, RY. And in the Y-axis, does it align? Let's go with RY, RZ. No? Okay, I guess I'm just gonna start working on my idle animation. So how is someone idle? I'm assuming they kind of bend downwards and then they go upwards, like they're panting or something. Never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chain. Yeah, I might just go with my boot first. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. Alright, now how do I add a keyframe? Best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. Your check is I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from. Alright, is that a key? Wait, I forgot how do you add a keyframe here. I, right? You got their attention, I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. Yo, hiding pixels, appreciate you joining the stream. Okay, so how do I add a reset position? Oh wow, yeah, reset position it is. Alright, I sort of forgot how to add keyframe here. That does not look good. Stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong. Okay, maybe I'm gonna go with something like Windows S. We could change the world, change times. And say, running the race, life is a chase. I created a new action, although I forgot how to add keyframes and go off from a break, off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts. Okay, I can see you're in pose mode and your isle is ready to go. Perfect. Here's how to do it. Step 1, pose your character. Select the pose by clicking R scale. Move with G, R to rotate, S to scale. Insert a keyframe. How do you do that? So location if your bones move, rotation if rotated bones. Location and rotation, safe as this goal. Go to the next frame. Alright, what if I'm in this frame and I click I? A. Oh wait, it did add a keyframe. I'm gonna get that keyframe to 0. Oh, you can't add a keyframe at 0 because 0 is literally the default keyframe. Okay, so I'm gonna move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's move myself.
Here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things. Realize something needs change.
Cannot change pose when reset mode is enabled.
Got me fucked up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pain.
I'm gonna go to 0 and I'm gonna click I.
I know there's no turning
A.
Oh god, adrenaline wasted. So mad I can taste it.
What if I go to my...
I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that.
Okay, that is 0. I'm gonna go to 10.
To make you go take it back.
Go there. Okay, now let's go with R. And then I'm gonna go ahead and click I.
And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
Just like that, shift like that. Then let's go with something like RX.
Smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you. Choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your hole. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this
going like this. I might bend my knees just a bit. RY. Nope. RY.
I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll put it on your face to make you go take.
I'm gonna go with shift, so like that.
I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad.
RY.
And now you gon' wish you would shut the fuck up real bad.
RY. Oh wait, that's not good. Okay, I guess let's play it real quick. Wait, where's my hip root? Didn't when I'm in this, you know what, let's go with a bunch of control C's there. I wanna go here. I'm gonna delete that frame. A, I, a default root swing. I, okay, I'm gonna go with RY.
I got a switch in my head. I go from living to dead. You got me seeing all red. Now I'm becoming a threat.
Can't see properly if I'm too close. Yo, hiding at the chair. Appreciate you joining the stream. This is the one thing. You can't see my...
Some sort of pain. You got the
remove my armor.
I've never seen so clear.
Okay, I'm in front and now my arms move. I'm gonna hit I real quick though. Like only selected channels. Did it add a keyframe? What else can we get back? There we go. Okay, the thing is I can't add a keyframe here. Let's go with A, I. Okay, that added a keyframe. I'm gonna go to 10. Now I'm just gonna select that. I'm gonna go with RY.
Next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil.
There. Then I'm gonna click I.
I've got a lot of potential.
And then I'm gonna move my arms.
That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top. No.
There, shift to like that. This is gonna move all my arms. I'm gonna go with something like RY.
They won't find a trace of you anywhere.
Then I'm gonna click I. Only selected channels. Let's go. Okay, and today I'm hoping that I'm even going to be done with my male mannequin as well, because I did not really add texture or like hairstyles to my male mannequin, but I think it's going to be good. Then let's go with eye. There, let's go with that. Oh wow, that worked. Okay, and then I'm just going to go back and finish. There we go, I think I got it. There we go. Okay, now I want my legs to bend a little as well. Am I bending too much? Am I actually bending too much? Is that good? That is one problem. So good, man. Don't ever give up. I hope we can play some games on Roblox if you want. Now, my buddy. Honestly, I appreciate you to do a stream. I'll catch you next stream. That's sad. Where was I? Why do I bend so much? Wait, I guess I gotta fix something with bending. RY, and I'm gonna go a little back. I just need a slight bend. Alright, now that doesn't bend me at all. Then I'm gonna go with I, only selected channels. There we go. Okay, is my hands moving a lot now? I might get my hands really back as we keep it again. Okay, wait, before I really go there, I'm gonna hit I and then only selected channel. I'm gonna go with this, I'm gonna go with RY, get a little back, and then I'm gonna go with something like I, only selected channels. Okay, let me really go to my main camera. Let me kind of increase my gain. What is wrong with my gain here? Maybe I'm going to increase some white light balance as well. Let me go to configure video. Whoa, that's some sharpness. There. Let's see. Okay, actually, wait, hold up. Let me just. I wanted to just test my theory. I'll test it a bit. Okay, I'm just curious because I want to see how does it look when you're idle. But I just realized I'm never even idle. I always keep walking, so that would be a waste. I might want to bend my legs a little here. So I could go here, and then let's go with shift there, and then I'm going to y-axis. Let's go with RY. Bend. Okay, I want to bend my knees a little. How do you bend your knees? R, Y. There. Oh, hold up. What if I go with I and then select? Oh god, I didn't want to go with this. Where's my... Where is my face cam? I just need this. Okay, then I'm gonna go with RY. Then I'm gonna go with I. Like there we go. I think that's pretty good for idle, right? And then I'm gonna go to something like frame 15. I'm gonna go with RY, get myself back here. What else? I'm gonna go with RY. My leg is straight right there. And then I'm gonna hit I here. Now let's see. What if I move this to 20? That is 19, and is that 20 here? I mean, sort of looks like it's 20. Okay, when are you collabing with Aisha Speed? Guys, collabing with Aisha Speed is kind of crazy. I think that that's gonna be like the next 5 or 6 years. It's not anytime soon. Let's see. There we go. Okay, let's go. There. Then I get that. There. It looks somewhat like panting, doesn't it? Not really. I want my arms to, I think, go like this, a little wide. So I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna right click and then delete keyframe. There we go. I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna move. Okay, guys, this is where the boring song starts. Okay, what if I have this at keyframe 10? Let's think that it's in keyframe 10. I'm gonna go with the. Oh wow, that's 13. Okay, I'm gonna go to keyframe 10. There we go. Okay, now in keyframe 10, I'm gonna select this arm and that arm. I'm gonna go ahead and hit something like RX, RZ, RY. I want to move it a bit there, so I'm gonna go with RX.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time
Oh, I see. So wait, let's go with RX here. That arm kind of spreads.
my brain, all of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way.
Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and hit something like I. Only selected channels. Let's go with something like RX.
Just let me be me and I'll stay
That up, and then I'm gonna hit I. Only selected channels. Let's go back.
asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love?
Hey, this looks more like a hopping thing actually than it actually looks.
No, you'll never be the same.
Doesn't even look like idle. It looks like I'm gonna jump somewhere. It's just go with something like jumping.
Okay,
I
okay.
am gonna be adding jumping, aren't I? So wait, hold up. While I'm in keyframe 10, I'm gonna go ahead and just get this leg, then higher, RY.
We'll choose to stay through all.
RY. Jump. There we go, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click I. Only selected. And then I'm gonna go here, RY. Whoops, I'm gonna go with RY. Then I'm gonna hit I. Only selected. Oh wow, I want to position myself higher too in that case. I'm gonna go with something like G. Wow. That's funny. Hey, that's actually good when I jump. The end is. I'm gonna go with RX. Actually, at traction. I mean, I'm gonna be. What if I have my crop top? Okay, then no one can actually. I mean, it's a little broken, but then I don't think anyone's gonna be able to see that stuff. Then let's go with RX. Go there. There we go. I think that I should push my body a little lower, RY, when I jump. That makes sense, right? Then let's go with I. Oh. And then I'm gonna... Here, let's go with RY. Or do I go lower when I jump? I'm not diving, right? I'm just jumping. Not really. Let's go with RY. Okay, so I'm trying to jump here. RY.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade.
Is this how people actually jump?
As you fade away.
Oh god, I forgot to add my keyframe to see how it looks. Yo, hiding, hey, I appreciate you joining the stream. RY. There. And then I'm gonna make sure to hit I, only selected. Man, I think that made it look a little bad. I'm gonna go to keyframe RY and get myself straight. I think only hands. Oh god, I forgot it again. RY. I'm gonna get straight. There. I'm going to do Y axis. There we go. I'm straight, and then I'm gonna hit I, only selected. And now, let's see. I'm gonna go to. Do you guys think it's just me, or do you guys think the arms need to go even higher with something like that? Okay, I guess I'm just gonna go with RY, X, I mean. And then RX. Guys, I love the fact that my armor is so moldable here. Like it really adds the action. The only thing is that it's a little cracked out there. Then I think the armor is pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna go with I, only selected. Of course, I forgot to add that. Let's go with RX. And then I'm gonna go with something like I, only selected. Now let's see. I jump. This part, let's go with RX. Then what if I go there? Oh god. RX. There. And then I'm gonna go with I, only selected. Let's go with RX. And then I'm gonna go with I, only like this. Guys, this is basically random out here. Somehow the randomness looks pretty good. One leg should actually go higher than the other. I'm gonna go with RY. There we go. And then I'm gonna go with I. Oh god, how did I manage that? I'm gonna delete my keyframe if we can. Keyframe, I'm gonna go with RY. Now let's see it. Did I move a little to the diagonal when coming downwards, or this is good? I think this is good. I'm gonna change the keyframe again. There we go. That's basically it for a jump. Okay, and then I'm gonna change this name to something like jump real quick. Let's go with now let's add this and check how the actual animation. Yeah, you guys see what I mean? It's sometimes look a little weird because this is mostly like stuck to my arms right here. I think somewhere here. Yeah, see? This back part right here is sort of stuck to my actual arm, and the Destiny makes it look a little cracked, but besides that, it's actually good. No one is gonna see it though. Like, no one might notice that part. There we go. Okay, that's good now. That's good now. I'm gonna hit Control S to save the code. Let me say something like, so say I wanted to work on idle first, but I happen to complete my jump. So how do I export it, question mark, or should I, let's say, rig all, then export, because I need an idle, attack, and dead as well. There we go, let's see.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want.
Alright, great question and smart thinking. Here's my honest advice. Finish all the animations first, then export. Do not export yet. Here's why. Every time you export, you have to redo export settings. If you change the break much later, you already exported animations. Okay, animation breaks. Game engines perfect with leaving everything in one clean file. This way is less headache, and it's all done at once. So work done. Idle. Tip for your remeshing idle. Subtle spine breathing, slight slow, 20 to 30 frames, dude. Oh, attack quick and snappy. Wait, for a jump, how many frames? For a jump, how many frames was recommended, question mark? Okay, let's see. For a jump, the typical frames is 1 to 8. Applicable, crouch, launch, 90 to 12, legs first, recovery, character stands up back. I think that was the 10 one. Although let's go with the idle now. So for idle, I need 20 to 30 frames. I'm gonna go with 30 frames. 25. Sitting there gaslighting. Okay, now for 30, I'm gonna go ahead and create. Did I create another one?
I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion.
Oh no.
Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you.
S, I'm gonna click plus here. This is gonna be called idle.
I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this.
And then I'm gonna go with A.
I feel so useless, I feel diluted.
Interesting. I thought, okay, wait, we have a jump here, A. We have a walk cycle here.
With you, I don't
A, and then close A. There we go. We got another, which is going to be called an idle cycle. That is A. I'm going to delete this keyframe.
You don't ever want to give me wings.
Okay, perfect. I guess we just got one keyframe now. Now, for the idle part, of course, I'm going to go ahead. I realize it's so much easier to do without it, There we go. Okay, so actually, okay, hi doing, non-desirable community, appreciate you joining this stream. There we go. I wonder if I need some gloves here. That's it. Now for our idols that we have 30 frames, I'm gonna go to, let's say, frame 30 here. Okay, so we move on to the frame 30 directly, no center frames here. Now let's get Claude back up here. What were the instructions? So, subtle spine breathing. So, neck goes a little back, chest goes a little back. Both come a bit in front. Okay, so at first, I gotta get my neck bone back. Oh, the only problem is that my neck is not really attached to my spine, so if I were to click R, they kind of crack up. That's fine. Let's go here. This is the spine, so I'm gonna go with something like RY. Okay, I'm gonna click I, only select it, and then I'm gonna go with the head, RY. I'm gonna get it a bit in front, hope it doesn't break my neck. Did it break my neck? Oh god, it sorta did. You guys see what I mean by this? Well, I guess both neck and head goes back together, RY. It snaps from the center, what is wrong with my head? Alright guys, let's not touch the head then, we just go back. RY. No. Fine, this. RY. And then I'm gonna go with something like I, only select it, and then I'm gonna select this, RY. Alright, that is nothing like an idle animation. Okay, that is how my idle animation looks like for now, but I don't really know though. I have my boots here, and then okay, I want my hands to go a little bit diagonal as well at the frame 30. So I'm gonna go with this hand. I'm gonna go with RX. Okay, let's go with this. I'm gonna go with RX. And then let's go with I, only selected. Then I'm gonna go with RX. I, only selected.
We're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a dream.
There we go. Okay, how does this look? How does this look? I think like you guys can see
When I'm falling, cover up my scars. The handlebars, crashing in my car. Wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar. Just on my avatar.
Okay, it doesn't really add this stuff, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add this. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna go here. Let's go with RX, a little bit higher, and then RX, a little bit higher. Oh shoot, I forgot to add my keyframe. RX, that bit higher. Let's go with I, add, and then RX, a bit higher, and then I'm gonna go with I. There we go. Let's see. Guys, take a deep breath with this. Alright, that's too high. There. I can't really take a deep breath with this for some reason. Okay, got it. I think I need to move this. Let's go with RY. And then I'm gonna go with I.
But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to. Something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to.
Alright, I think this is RY. I'm gonna get this keyframe from here. Let's go with I. Let's say 15 at the very center. There we go.
Taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots. Are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight
there.
And I wanna get lost. I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. Taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6
I can't happen to see what is missing if I want to go like this. I think it's 2 in front, right? There. Oh god, I forgot I had to be here. There, I don't want it to be too in front, like I'm bending down or something.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up!
Alright, why does my arm...
Mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up, so
I can't see, guys. How does someone idle when they're breathing like this? Like,
it's everything. You can mold, shape,
I can actually think. What if I go with something like 20 here? Does that help?
your identity.
And then I'm just gonna go ahead and grab that there to the 20th keyframe. I think that's 19. There. I want it to be a bit more to the right. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and select that. I'm gonna go with RX. Wait, what happens if I move the shoulder? Go with RX. There, shoulder a little high. I'm gonna go with I. Only select it here. And I'm gonna go with RY. And then I'm gonna go with I. What is that doing there? Let's delete that keyframe. Go here, RX. Alright guys, this is just a test run. I don't even know what that does. Hey, the shoulder is for lifting up for a high five. I get it. Although I'm not really looking for a shoulder high five.
Cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad. I stay strong. You will never see me crack. And if you get in my way,
what is this keyframe doing here? I'm gonna
gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack.
Not really that good. I'm trying to see what I do. Fine, let's go to the keyframe 20 here real quick. And now, how is someone hiding?
And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
My arms goes a little back. My spine goes back.
Feel like this, I'm immortal.
I think I'm gonna add 30 frames here. Okay, that is my exhale and then RY. Hey, actually, I don't think this is that bad. But all I gotta do is go to keyframe 90 now, 30 now, and I'm gonna get that a bit lower. So I'm gonna go with R. So having pixels, appreciate enjoying the stream. Then let's go with... Why did I just diagonalize myself?
I feel like everyone's a stranger. Small talk with your narcissistic neighbor. She's real hot, but they said to never date her.
I'm gonna get straight.
And I hate her. You wanna get away? You better get in line. Won't go another day.
Then I'm gonna go with I, and then on I, and I'm gonna go with RY.
This time
And then I'm gonna go with I.
I got no filter. No filter.
And
No filter. No filter. I got no filter. No filter. I got no filter. No.
Why does it not look like it's in 20? Okay, that is in 20, then that's 50. But how is this 30, right? How is that keyframe 0, that's 20, and that's 30? That doesn't make any sense. Like,
Hey man, can I get a favor?
oh, that's
You're hot, no, see you later.
oh, this is supposed to be a 10.
Be a hater, gotta wash down the top 40s with a chaser. Your voice starts feeling like a waiter. Scraping my mind.
Actually, what if I have this at 15?
Before you go, sir, you have to sign a waiver. That's alright, I'm aware of the danger.
There we go.
Wanna get away? You better get in line. Won't go another day.
So that is 15, and then 15 to 30 is another 10. That's, you know what's good, let's get this.
No filter, I got no
Alright, I gotta check my arm animation. I can't actually seem to know what can I do. For this side, I'm gonna go with some.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action.
Alright, what happens if I were to go ahead and come to 30 and then get both my shoulders there?
I've got these things that I can't let go.
Alright, that kind of gets my arm off. I'll get it to
I feel this pain, you already know.
Please tell me it didn't break my neck from anywhere. Oh, it didn't.
I've got
There.
things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own.
Okay, how is that?
Die for the things you know you love.
Alright, I think I got it. I think I get it.
It's right, and she life
I think I've got it. This is
fight and die.
there. And then I'm gonna go with I.
Do what you think is right, and she life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me. And
Okay, I think that's good. Now let's just go ahead and add this top on top and my arm.
this pain you
Let's see if
already
this kind of messes up.
turned that to gains. Let my money
There we go. It's not even sticking my back now.
things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this
Okay, well, perfect. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and hit S, and that's about it. I'm gonna pause and go back. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna drink some water. While I drink, I'm gonna check my gain. It's not really that bad, my gain, but I think it's really an amazing anime. It's really an amazing work. Let's go. See, that's the reason why I'm kind of starving. Plus, I'm not starving, I'm kind of thirsty.
you think it's right, and she life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know.
What up, guys? Guess you guys are going to listen to some ASMR here.
You think it's right, and she life do what you want.
Yeah, I'm kind of clumsy when it comes to drinking here. Kind of spilled. I guess I'm going to drink a little.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love.
There we go. Okay, let's see.
Wanna hate,
Next up, once I'm done with, what's the next thing I want to do?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Yeah, I wish that there was like a nice fade animation or something. Like there's like a nice little fade that makes it look,
And wanna
you
hate
guys, a little better. With that said, I'm gonna go ahead and move here. And again, in case you guys are watching me in the vertical stream, make sure you move on to the horizontal stream. That's why I'm just playing my landscape mode so you guys can see my environment. No, because I didn't really check the horizontal streams is previewed for so long now. Wait, it does show everything actually, right?
spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase
Okay,
all
not
the
bad.
past and the pettiness. A reflection of the
Okay, that's let's see. What's the next thing that I'm gonna do?
delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me. This
Okay,
ain't
we need attack now. So how am I gonna do attack?
you can say
We
that
have an idol. This is gonna be my player most likely. So I'm gonna do an attack.
to last, yeah.
Attack.
Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone
How do I go with an attack? Should I add
myself.
so quick, forward, lean, arm swing, snappy, and fast 15 to 20. Okay, so quick, forward, arm swing. Okay.
And wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
15 to 20 frames, right? So I'm gonna go with 15. I want my attack to be really, really fast. I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna go
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Stop being incompetent. Mental
Okay, it's gonna be flashy, so I'm gonna go with 15.
I'm not here to say the
So half of 15, so that is 0, and then there's my 15.
but instead of say
For 15, I'm gonna go ahead and move forward, RY.
it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're
Wait,
all
I
If you just believe you could be
I don't just wanna attack with my arms, I also want to kick. Like, I wanna do one attack, one kick type combo. Therefore, I might go with... let's see. So, how do you add a kick here? Okay, before I add a kick, okay, let's see the kicks.
Now that I've been
Apparently for kicks, we gotta go with something like RX. And then I want to use this RY. Wait, that kind of RX. How do you move it in front? RZ maybe? Alright, that is an awful kick. Okay, how do you add a kick here? Go with R. X. Okay, wait, this doesn't really look like a kick. I want to add a roundhouse kick here. Okay, what if I go with this, that, R, X, there.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make
That's really high.
a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything.
I don't know if it's gonna be a little dynamic here.
Electronic, blow the sonic roof up.
Okay, let's think. Okay, first time I'd go with my upper body and then I'll go with my lower body.
Need to take the new song.
I do wrist. Can I just a wrist?
It's everything I've been chasing.
That's basically just breaking down.
All here for the taking.
So I wanna add a song.
Walk with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
Oh god, I can't. There. So I need my shoulders for this. I'm gonna go to my frame 15. Actually, let's go to my frame 7. R.
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and
I'm gonna go with something like RY, RX.
learn your lesson yet. When I get
Yeah,
to
this is about it together.
I'm like a weapon that's sharp as men.
Then I'm gonna go ahead and
Scars to envy to win.
Y-axis.
Plenty, I like to play fast.
If I get this higher, let's go with R and
Back, cause I'm great at that. Oh. You cannot save me. 'Cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing.
well, I guess I'm gonna be cool with
Don't wanna test your luck.
I might just get my shoulder with this here because I don't want to see my shoulders. Okay, I'm gonna go with RX. Let's get that higher. I wonder if my elbow needs to go high, but for the time being, let's take it high. And let's go with RX. There we go. I want to move it a little in front, something style. And then RY. Whoops, RX? No, not X then, RZ probably. Then I start of attack. Did I really go with G? RZ and then attack. Is that even like a punch? Let's go with I, only select the Alright, that is not how it's done. Let's think. So how is it done? I want to punch. My arms are like that. I'm gonna get like this. Then I'm gonna throw a punch. Both my hands gotta come. Okay, if I'm chopping, then I might go this way and then let's see. So, alright guys, let me just go to my main camera real quick. So there we go. Oh god, what is wrong with my relative configurations? There we go. Video. There. Maybe a bit more. Okay, now let's use this as the testing dummy. So apparently, if I were to go ahead and get this a little bit higher. There. Okay, let's move the chair. So I'm not gonna be throwing punches. Usually what I'd do is I'd be this way and I'd throw punches at you guys. There. So usually what I'd do is I'd be like this and I'd throw a punch up there. Throw a punch here. My leg is in front. There we go. So my leg is in front, but we started this position and my arms like that. What I'd do is I'd go like that and I'd throw a punch. But since my arms are flat off, what I could do is just go this way and hit a chop, or most likely go with a chop that way or that way. But we never chop with our fingers, with our thumbs here, so we gotta go with our back palm that way. So one hand covering the head, there we go. So I'm covering that side, I could be a bit more here. There. Okay. Let me get this higher, it's too low. Alright guys, yeah, let's just get that higher. That's much better. Okay, so currently I could go this way. And then for the legs, I was trying to get with a roundhouse kick, like, whoa, guys, I lost most of my stamina. I lost most of my flexibility. Okay, I could go up here, hands should be open. And then I gotta pivot my foot, go up, and hit till the top. Guys, that's actually awful, I can't even reach to the top. But I'm trying to see myself on the camera when I do it. I wanna go here, I wanna hit high. High. Whoa. Okay, I think I got a pretty good gist of it. So one hand up, the other hand lower, going here, and kicking high. High. Then getting back. High, getting back. High, getting back. I think I got it, but when I kick high, my body moves a little diagonal. So I gotta kind of rotate myself. So here, rotate yourself. I could go with like a side kick too. For that, I have to be at the side and just side kick. But then, I need to go here and up, back, up, back. Alright guys, I'm just trying to get the gist of it. With the other leg, just go up. Okay. I think that should be done from here. I think I got it, but first let's do the hands. I wanna just repeat the hands like this. This hand goes up. This hand up to block. Okay, not bad. So my legs are straight. The hand that hit that leg goes in front. Okay, and then the other hand. So they both go in front first, and then this. There we go. Guys, I'm just trying to review this part. Okay, so this leg pivots a bit. There we go. It's getting pretty natural. Okay, so up, top. Oh, I forgot to notice my bends. My leg bends a little when I pitch. But I don't think you really need to bend. Okay, you do need to go a bit in front, but I think I got it. I think I got it just a bit. Alright, let's get to modeling. Here, there we go. Yo, hi doing GD, appreciate you joining the stream. Guys, I think we got a lot of review. Funny thing is, I forgot everything I just did. What the hell? There we go. Okay, so if I'm in the same position as this, that is gonna be my right hand that hits. Okay, so that is gonna be my right hand. Let's see. Okay, now. The leg moves in front first.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life.
I'm gonna delete all these extras.
Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm bad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed.
Okay, let's go with this.
Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back.
I
I'll be
think the mannequins will
the
be
hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody
so
like that.
this arm,
Gonna
that
wait,
leg,
that's all
this
fact.
leg
Give me
moves
one
first,
shot and I'll never get
it
the throw
goes
back. I'm sick
that
of
way.
cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop
This leg and this.
Call it shoplift, sick of hearing everyone
Hold up.
they thoughtless.
Here,
Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame.
Okay, so this like stays where it is.
We all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just
Okay, got it.
up in this life, I'm crazy.
Let's see.
Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag.
This hand goes in front.
Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad.
Body rotates after this, right? Let's go with R. I just want to rotate in general. We can't go, we got everything.
I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that.
Okay, let's go with like
Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
No,
on
15
the
is good,
attack.
15 is
Baby,
good.
I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed.
this leg needs to go a bit more. Should I just it doesn't, my leg doesn't look like it. Lower. Can I go a bit lower if I can? Oh, I want it. My elbows. Okay, so my elbow is gonna go a little higher. Let's go with G.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains.
To go this high and then shoot.
Like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives. You create thoughts. Never waste time. You got one shot. You got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5. No mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way. What I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they trap the chains, you can say no, free me.
The song actually changed. It's kind of vibing with the other song.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you gon' wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I don't fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently.
Was it Y or R?
Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty.
Here we go. Wait, is that in 20?
Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that.
Let's go with 25.
Face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad.
Alright,
And now you go wish.
where's my 20th animation?
And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no
I swore that was 20. Did I not just save it?
And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
Then let's go here. There. There we go. I want to be looking at the enemies. Guys, I broke my neck. I twisted my neck. Oh no, it should have been a keeper. Oh, that was
I got a switch in my head.
Okay, ever tried 3JS?
Now I'm
Does JS mean JavaScript there? Because I haven't worked with JavaScript yet.
never forget. So now
Alright.
paid with blood is some sort of pain. You caused a
Okay,
permanent
I'm gonna go to my neck and then I'm gonna go with RZ and
reckoning's here.
back where it was. Rather, I'm gonna go to the 15th frame and go with RZ. And then I'm gonna go here. There we go. Okay, that was kind of good. Okay, and my leg is pivoted as well, right?
My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snaps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential.
Honestly, I haven't tried JavaScript yet, but I was definitely planning to eventually try it. I didn't have a reason to work with it till now.
Gimmicks, I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place.
And then when I hit, I'm gonna go with the. Let's make it move a little faster. I'm just gonna try getting the frames a little back so I can just squeeze in a bit more action in here. There. Okay, what if I try squeezing a bit more action? Okay, and then from there in the frame 16, my arm goes here. It's like you can work on 3D models on your website. That actually sounds kind of cool. Search it up. You might like it given your field of work. I did an internship on that. Actually, this field of work is not something I like as much because I'm not more of a game developer. I'm just doing this because I have my 2 free series with my goal by the end of this series to make a game in general that consists of AI logic in it. The real thing that I am pretty much going to be working on is like AI engineering, work on mini chatbots, AIs, but that's going to be for a whole different series. You can also create models on Blender and export it on websites as GIB models or QLB or GLB models. There we go. Okay, actually, here's the thing. I like using Blender a lot, but I don't like game development as much. So let's get this a bit slower. Same level. Gotta have myself be at shoulder level. And then let's go with our hold up our no. When I shoot our GLB, it actually does. I mean, I do like working on Blender, to be honest. Blender is the only thing that I am pretty interested in when it comes to game development here. So I'm gonna go with R, Y. What is happening here? I gotta hit, get back, and now it's time for the game. Let me just try reviewing that part again real quick. Let me just go to my main camera. There we go. So this is what I've done so far. So I was like this. I've gone like gone like that, and I hit. I came back up. I gotta twist my side and do a kick here. Or I could most likely go with something like this. With the other side that I actually, okay, you know what, that's gonna be too much animation. That back kick there. Okay, that should be pretty much good. Back here. Then let's move on to my gameplay. There we go. So now my body's gonna go back up and be pretty good. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go with something like R1. The more you bend, the better your kick actually is. You want to like overlap it. I want to bend, but I don't want it to. Oh, that's overlapping. I'm gonna be covered with my clothes. Sort of is actually, so that's good. Okay, and then let's go with
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Okay, this.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Look at close coverage.
As you fade away.
Nope, it does not come.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace.
Bend and
Never
then
really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you
I had a whole route that I could move.
you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
What is wrong with my neck here? Please tell me I'm not breaking it. Sort of am.
I need help, I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Guys, this looks really cursed. Why is it moving so fast? Like what? Oh god, there's so many moves so fast. I need 30 frames per hit. God. This is going to be the smartest. Okay, that's 19 and a half. Yeah, because 30 frames just for an attack action would be a lot. happens to my legs.
From all that is needed, heart content on feeding more from the
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
There.
If I lay down and I play
Ooh, okay, that was a lot.
dead, baby, you'll
What
get
happened?
sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you, I'm
Guys, I
losing.
broke my arms
I
there.
feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever
I
wanna
need
give
some.
me
I need a
wings.
huge gap between them.
You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my
Alright, what does this actually?
standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Oh, maybe
Then
the
will
two
you
of
get
us will.
bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
Okay, let's see.
And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me?
Okay, this leg needs to get fixed. I'm hoping it's Nope. I'm gonna go with R. Figure it out. R, R. Nope. R, nope. R, there. There. So I'm gonna go to frame 20 and then I'm gonna go with R there, and then I'm gonna go with I R1 out. That's good. There we go. Go to frame 0, let's add everything back up here. How it looks. Okay, I hope it looks nice.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar.
Okay, actually it's not that bad. It's 20 frames ain't have bad here.
Empty out the reservoir.
Okay, I think we're done with our attacks. Let me grab blood back up here and say something like I'm done with attack, so slow fall backwards or crumble onto the ground, turn into point range.
I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get on safe. So I'm taking 6 shots
The F8 user button.
Are you coming with me? I'm taking 6
Then it doesn't delete any of the animations.
and I wanna get lost.
Wait, are any of my animations being deleted? What?
Feeling this way.
I don't.
6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get on stage. Taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots. Are you coming with me?
Oh god, I got so scared for a second. Okay, attack is safe.
Tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments.
Okay, this almost scared me to death.
We're all adequate graduates, hearts full of calluses, but we know calculus.
Okay, I might fix my neck here.
Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off.
Why is this 30 frames? Walk should not be 30 frames.
That we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to. Something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to. Something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get
Guys, it's just me or is this like a freaking zombie walk?
shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots.
Looks more like a zombie walk to me.
And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay.
Hey, look, I don't have walk, it's a run cycle.
Don't
Do I need walk? Am I gonna be adding run to my program? I don't know.
shots, are you coming with me?
Okay, actually, this might be my run cycle. But for one, you know what? Let's keep this to be something like 20%. Evenly distribute them all.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running.
Alright, that was bad.
And I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better.
What was that?
Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
Alright, that was awful. I'm gonna go back to usual when I have my 30 frames. There.
And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I
Okay,
feel,
so I mean, I'm not gonna mess much. I have my walk cycle.
when I feel like this, I'm immortal.
And,
This, I'm immortal.
this leg doesn't fit in the front. It just loops. I see. So this like moves with this. I don't want this like to move because it's gonna move like this.
I'm so done. No, I'm never turning back. I won't stop. I'ma fight until there's nothing left.
Okay, let's go with RY.
You're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad.
Then I'm gonna go with RY here as well, just to give me space here.
If you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack.
Alright, here's the thing. At frame 0, I might rotate my head a little bit in the center at all times.
Like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't stop. Just look up.
I wish I could see my position here. So is there a way that I can actually check my position here? So at frame 0, my x-axis is all at 0. Okay, and clip. And 5d10 on the middle of my head. This gives me a here, it's just still gonna be there. R.
Hey man, how the hell you doing? I've been just fine living life with the noose and in my mind, all I hear is
Here's the thing, instead of fixing this, I'm just gonna go with another walk cycle, so let's add another cycle. I'm gonna try fixing this stuff here, and if it works, it works.
neighbor. She's real hot, but they said to never date her. Ah, I agree, but you did, and I wanna get away. You better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting
Set pose. I want it to be at this
time. Got no filter. I got no filter. No filter.
wow.
I got no filter.
I want to make sure my regular walk cycle.
Filter. No filter. I got no filter. No filter. I got no filter.
Alright, let's go back up here to my research mode, walk cycle, 0. Alright, now I'm in my pose mode here where I'm completely paused. Now to walk, let's get back to my camera here. Oh wow, you guys didn't tell me that I was showing half my webcam.
You're hot. No, see you later.
So, if I were a girl, how would I walk? Oh wow, in the vertical stream you guys couldn't even see my punching bag here, the hell?
Point starts.
Okay, let's see, so if I was here, I'd walk something like this.
Greater.
But that's NPC walk. What kind of walk do I want to do? I'm just gonna move this thing back right now.
You wanna get away? You better get in line.
Go like this.
Day of wasting any time.
I don't know, I don't want to do the walk, but
Got no filter. I got no filter.
I'm trying to think, what kind of walk should I do?
I got no
2 walks. The first walk, I could walk like this. Or the second walk, I don't have pockets, or I walk like this. Wait, that's how males walk.
filter. I got no filter.
Have I ever seen? I think they like walk like this or something. I don't know. I've never seen a female walk. But then why would someone walk like that in a PvE game, in like an RPG MMO game? Wait, I don't think it's supposed to be called MMO, right? 'Cause what is the full form of MMO? Okay, I forgot that. But let's see. So how else can I walk? Let me think. I'm going through all the animes that I watched so far, trying to think the kind of walk. I think it's like this. I don't know. Okay, throw a punch on that. Practice bag. Honestly, I've been doing that. Like, I had it for a long time. So, howdy, Jason. Appreciate you joining the stream. Do that thing here. Well, I mean, I could potentially throw a punch. Let me just go to my OBS. Okay, it doesn't have water. A quick little caution. I'm not gonna throw a heavy punch because it's just gonna fall off because it has almost no water to it. Like, I can literally lift it if I want. Kinda heavy. Okay, I thought it's heavy. Hold up, guys. Here we go. Okay, it's not heavy, I'm just weak. That said, I'm still thinking how do you walk here? Speaking of which, guys, I have my stuff. There we go, let's think. So, how would they walk? Might go like this. Or is it? I gotta check, let me think. How do people walk? Since they're running, I think their body should go backwards and they run in front, right? That's something that I learned. If you're walking backwards, then you go like this. That's something I learned from my Kung Fu classes. Like, when you run in front, your body doesn't need to go in front. That's where you fall downwards. You gotta be backwards and move forwards. Let's think. So, how do you walk? Walk.
Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start. You had
I start like this.
and the things I could be.
Could go like this. So that's me walking. I wanna add a run. Like the hell am I gonna be doing? Oh wait. Whoa. I might have it walk and a run. So my hands can go back and I can walk like this. For run, I could run like this. Got it. Okay, this is gonna be walk. I'm gonna have a run as well. My hands are like this. Okay, so walk like this. And let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna walk like this for walk. So hand starts back up here, and then I'm gonna go like this. Okay, and then for one, I'm gonna be running in front like that. Only 2 steps. So I start here, 1 step, my hands go back. 2nd step, my body is a little arched backwards, so like that. Okay, so 1st step, sideways, starts like this. I'm gonna get my back arched up and walk. Is that even how girls walk, guys? I've never seen a girl walk like that. I mean, only place I've actually seen girls walk like that is basically anime, where they have like a bag in their hand and they hold the bag backwards and they walk. That's the only thing I can think of, but there's no freaking bag. Why is my hands even back? It's gonna be easy to add my Inoa's walk because I know how guys walk. This is literally a guy I walk every single day. I'm trying to think, if I were a girl, how would I walk?
So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I'm so descriptive like an adjective. I got a
Guys,
vendetta.
do you guys have any recommendations?
Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow.
How does the female even walk? Like,
I could gas
okay, I know they walk regularly like this.
know if that can
I
erase
could
all the
add
past
that
and the
kind of
pettiness.
walk.
A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think
Because
you're
it's like I'm gonna be running, but in the same time, I want to dodge my NPCs while I run.
this ain't no harm.
And then while I'm midway running, I'm going to be adding my attack pose to it. So when I stop running, it's going to go back to my idle pose. Like this. Idle. Walk. No, wait. Idle is like this. Walk is like that. Getting it? Idle.
I've got no luck for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always
Idle. Walk. And then run.
no, I don't take shit.
That's the most classic thing to do.
You wanna play tough,
Idle.
I'll always show up
Walk.
and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence.
Okay. And then I run. So idle.
Dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to
Run.
save the day. That's for you to take
And then
away.
idle.
A million mind games, but it's
Attack. Whoa.
something
Idle.
logical, something
Attack. Wait, actually, that wasn't even the attack. This is how the attack is.
unstoppable.
I'm idle here, and then I turn.
If you just believe you could be so
I could do it this way better.
head,
Idle,
they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm
but faster.
no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make
I just need walk and attack because I have a jump where I go something like that. Oh, that's okay. Here. There we go. Okay, so my jump is something like that. I don't know, but what else can I do? I have idle. I have jump. I have walk. Death is going to be the easiest. All I'm going to be doing is falling backwards or forwards with change. Death is going to be confusing as well. I might just squibble, like have an S shape when I fall. Let's think. Walk.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna
I got it. Back, front. Back, front. And then we start again. Back, front. Back. And then stop. Back. My back is being arched. Front. Back. Front. Back. Front. Back. Front. Back. Front.
I'm taking shots at the enemy.
Okay, I got it. I'm like this, I go back, front, back, front. What am I doing going back and front? What up? Idle.
Electronic, sonic front. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too
Idle.
sick, need to take the news.
Back. So when I'm taking my first step forwards, my hand is gonna be like that. Okay, so my shoulder rake, my shoulder armature, my arm armature for both sides is gonna go back. Not that back, just that back. My hand is gonna be backwards.
Sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half
You were not as tough as
Step. Chest goes wide. Front. Wide. Front. Wide. Front. I see. I got it. Let's just move that a bit to the left. Okay, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and move on back to my game. So that's gonna be walk. What, you gay or something? Guys, don't get it the wrong way. I'm trying to figure out how my female mannequin is actually supposed to do. Okay, let's go here. There we go. Then I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I'm gonna go with A to check if there are any rigs here. There is no rigs here, so I'm gonna go with something like walk. This is gonna be my walk. I'm gonna be having a run later on. I think 20 frames should suffice here. Walk 20. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna go with I, and then all selected. Let's go to the first 10 frames for the first leg. There. Okay, now for my legs, I'm gonna... Oh shoot, I forgot to see if my head moves anyway. Does my head move? My head doesn't move, honestly. Okay, I was just trying to confirm that. Because later I'm going to be like, why is my head not working as it should run? As well. Okay, let's see. So, to start off, I'm gonna firstly, in front, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my hand. So this leg goes in front, so that leg goes back first. Okay, I'm taking the opposite leg. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna go with RY, move that in front. Okay. And then I'm gonna go with RY, this goes back. Is that even how we walk? That is not how we walk. Is that? I'm not even going in front. Okay, I gotta jog. I gotta be in the mindset of jog. There. One moves. And then these arms goes back. Okay, and then I'm walking with one. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I want this leg to go now in front. So the thing is, do I really want it to go a bit more in front? I think I could, but I don't want my animation to be a bit glitched out. Okay, so when I'm here, my back goes back, and then it comes front at the very next frame. Okay. I think this is going to be my entire back here, right? So I'm going to go with RY. Back. Okay, and then my leg goes in front. I'm going to go with I. And then I got to move myself in front. So there are 20 frames, right? I wanted there to be 3 sections to this. Okay, perfect. Now in the frame 20th, actually frame let's say 17, I'm gonna get this leg back. Let's go with Y. And then I'm gonna go with I. I got both my meshes in front now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my other leg, which is this. Let's move this in front, so RY. And then I'm gonna go with I. I'm gonna go with I. Okay. And then in the frame 20th, I'm going to go ahead and set everything back to normal. Actually, let's go to frame 19 or 18 or 17, might as well. Let's go with A. There we go. So frame 17, I'm going to go here. My back arches backwards, so RY.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
Okay, and now in 20, I'm going to go
I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap, only God wants you better.
Oh wait, shoot, that was
Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, shit on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back,
then let's go
someone's
here.
gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back.
And then my back.
I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless.
There we go, I did.
Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame. Yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I won't obey.
Oh, I didn't mean R, I meant I.
You cannot tell me what I cannot say.
There.
I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay.
Okay, you guys can't tell me that doesn't even look like, it does not look like a walk, does it? It looks like a freaking bent backwards.
Born a rock star in this
Walks
life,
like
gonna
that.
live it up on on the attack, baby I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap, only got
which
one,
is
so
the
you
part
better
you're
live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed, baby I'm bad. Baby I'm bad.
Something pushing me so much to the back. It does look a little bit bendy. I will be moving in front while the time Oh, squad, I forgot one thing. My arms should have been in that position from frame 0. No. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go here. And this frame is gonna come here to frame 0. Oh.
You could try to play it, but you're
No,
never
my
gonna
arms are
beat
starting
me.
to-
Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People
There we go.
feet hurt.
Okay, got me panicking for a minute.
Fast asleep when they see me. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave.
Guys, what kind of walking is this? It's like a walk with my hands behind my back, but I literally am.
Change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take
Alright,
far.
it
It's
looks
like you
better.
lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just
Or
free thoughts.
this.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me.
What is this? Okay, look, it's not bad. When I say what is this, I mean like
Bloody hands
I'm trying to think what kind of walk is this.
break through the chains, go free me.
You know what? I'm gonna stick with this walk.
Don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
Wait, what's wrong here?
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils
Alright,
over.
how do you get back to
Here
normal?
it goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things.
What?
Realize something needs change.
No in player?
Cause I know you got me fucked up. Let me show you what's up.
Oh, okay, God, that scared me so bad for a second. I was like, where's all my progress?
Just to make a statement.
Now what's wrong with my head?
Oh God, adrenaline wasted. So mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes. I ain't making mistakes like that.
There. Okay, what's wrong? I was like, what was wrong with my head?
To make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit. I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad.
Okay, now for those, what am I gonna do?
And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
What action is this? I see attack, I see item, I see jump, I see walk.
I don't fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come of me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry.
Dead, right? Let's go with dead. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this when I'm dead here. There is no pose here. What is wrong with my arm?
Oh God, adrenaline wasted. So mad I can taste it. I know I'll do what it takes.
You know what? I think I'll just rock with this.
I'll put it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And I ain't gon' wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
I'm gonna move a little diagonal and fall diagonally. Okay, I'm gonna go with R1. Alright, what is wrong here? Okay, I am in my bed, thank you.
I got a switch in my head. I go from living to dead. You got me seeing all red. Now I'm becoming a threat. I fucking heard what you said. I'll make you have some regrets. And no, I never forget. So now you
Why do we set position?
it needs to be paid with blood or some sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear. I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here. The sound of death in the
There.
fear.
Fine, let's go with RY. I just want to see. Doesn't work.
My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snaps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take it to the
Alright, what's wrong with my pose mode here? Why is it not
find a
saved?
trace
Please
of
tell
you
me I'm
anywhere
walking
or any
with
place.
it. I want my death to be good now. Alright, no insert keyframes here, I guess. No insert keyframes here either. Oh wow. First 10 keyframes, let's go with R's. Hi there. Yeah, that's funny. And then we fully work with the legs. Yeah, when you die, might as well just be broken. It's just appropriate. Guys, I know I shouldn't be laughing here. This is a hilarious way to die. I mean, a hilarious position to die in. Okay, what in the world is wrong with me? Why is this slower?
You say slow down. I don't like to move too
There.
fast. Drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want us to be
Okay, this is.
with love that lasts.
Guys, doesn't even look like I'm dead or something. I don't know.
What is it with time? Why
What?
can't we unwind?
Let's add this keyframe to the very end.
And all the hurt we deal with on
When I lose, this is what actually plays, right? So if I were to go there. Alright, you guys can't tell me this looks.
I see why we are lonely.
Okay, look, I am kind of destroyed that I kind of died. I mean, my dead animation won't really show.
Had more of me. And now that time has passed, I see why we were lonely.
I'm trying to see. Okay, it's not bad. I'll take it. I'll take it. Okay, we're too much done with everything. All I need is a walk right now, and that's really about it. Guys, I'm not even joking. This is one of the funniest animations I've had so far. There we go. I just want to keep looking at this. This is so funny. And then we have our dead. Okay, and then after that, we've got our idol. I gotta look in front for that.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Yeah, idol is pretty good.
Try to stay strong
And then we have our jump.
until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Wait, I don't have the animation where I get lower. Oh shoot. This is gonna be 20.
As you fade away.
Okay, so that's that. And then when I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything.
And then I'm gonna go with something like I.
Sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need.
What did I do?
I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile
There we go, let's see.
until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. As you fade away.
Okay, I think I got it.
Fade away.
Whew, okay, and then we have our walk finally.
As you fade away.
That's one of the most funniest walks I've seen. I've seen in Gen 2. Alright, all I need is a run now. So we have attack, we have walk, we have death, we have idle, we have jump. Now we just need an attack. Therefore, I might go with this. I mean, we need a run. Alright, why is my hand up?
But I know you can't tell. Like nothing I've found overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but
RZ.
I know I'm not perfect. But some days,
Okay, keep playing and then I'm gonna go here.
baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. As you
Guys, do you guys want me to do the Naruto run? Having my hands back and just running? I think that would be the smartest thing and the fastest thing to do here, to be honest. That is not how a female actually runs, unless they're actually a shinobi. Okay, let me go to my let's say properties for my cam. Properties, configure video. Let's increase my gain. Like what? Why is it so dark?
okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you.
Let's see.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake
Shinobi run.
until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Yeah, let's go with RZ. There. You know what? I think it's gonna be funny. I'm just gonna go with the Shinobi run. Let's go here. RZ. And again, I'm just gonna get rid of those. Okay, I think it's just good. Then I'm gonna go there. Is that even like a Shinobi run here? Oh, I think I got it. I don't know if I want to do this. It's just going to make the game hilarious. Yeah, this is going to be hilarious when it's done. If I want to do the freaking Shinobi walk, that doesn't make any sense. Fine, I think I'll do it. I don't know any other walks to do. Okay? The only thing that would make sense here. Hey, this looks more like a jump than a walk now.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never
Just
really
kidding, you're not a single freaking keyframe received.
with you, I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my
Oh,
palm.
you're joking.
Play with me like cats and a string.
This is a place.
You don't understand the pain it brings.
Where's the keyframe?
You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead,
I thought that this was gonna add a keyframe.
being the monster out of my head, under my bed, think you're something out of my
Could have added keyframes. Then I'm just gonna go to something.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you
I'm gonna go with something like one.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead,
Where's my walk? Where's my what did I have? I had walk, I had run. Where's my freaking attack? I needed that was the so much time on.
and then you'll get bored of killing me. And when
Is there a way to recover it?
killing me.
Say something like, let's say, okay, let's see. Okay, that's the fake user. Let me explain what happens. Your animations are automatically any action that has. Let me see if there's an action that's why you lost 2 animations. Can't be recovered. Open Action Editor, click on the animation drop-down, select each animation, select one together, button the next action name. I didn't know about this. This feels awful right now. I was like, where is an F? This is a shield, it's not even an F. Oh god. Is there no way to save it? There's really no way to recover question mark. Not even I don't know what other are there. Is there really no way to recover?
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a
Blender autosave, go to file, recover, autosave, show it, list of autosave files,
crashing in my car. Wake up in a
open one from before you close Blender. If your left your animation might still be there, check the backup file. Well, I guess let's try that real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and guys, just hope that I'm lucky enough for this to work. I'm gonna go to file and then I'm gonna go to okay, last session, right?
I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with?
Okay, open one from before you close the Blender. What? Oh my god.
I'm sick of this place, don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. I'm taking
51, so today is 1651. Don't think I'll get on stage. It's safe. It's safe. save. There's no freaking way to actually save. There's no way.
Sometimes you need to
Okay, attack, I'm dead. Idle jump. Attack, dead. Idle jump. Attack, right. Oh, I'm saving you. I'm saving attack. That was one of the best
We'll
ones that
never
I
make you
had.
feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, hearts full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn it.
Guys, that was so hard for a sec. I thought that I was actually done back there.
We can't get it.
Okay, were there 5 in total? Because I had a walk. I did not care. My walk is fine.
We all know
That's a small price to pay for getting my attack back. This was one of the hardest ones.
something I can't
Okay. Go to hit control as to save the code. Are there 2 blenders here? No, it's
something I
not. This
can't
is
undo.
mine.
I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the
Enter underscore final copy. Oh god, I have them.
when I'm feeling this way.
Okay, check for backup files. Okay, let me see.
Okay, I think I'm going
Back
crazy.
station. I just lost
I'm taking 6 shots straight to
I
the face.
have my
Shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face, and I wanna get lost.
Okay, wait, do I have my dad? Okay, I do have my dad.
Feeling this way. I'm taking 6 shots, till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll
I
get up.
have my idol.
6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots. Are you coming with me?
And then I got my chat. This is the one that I spent so long in. I'm glad I got them, and why I don't have my close one. Oof, okay, that was hard. Let's go protect them right now immediately, and then I'm gonna hit control as everything is protected, right? Everything has.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I
I'm
always
gonna go ahead and open it again. Let's see if they are all really protected.
play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted. Say
Okay, nice.
wake up.
Alright guys, that basically means. Okay, I'm not done till now. I know I should have
It's
worked
no
on
friend of me. It's not working out. Maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up. So
Okay, I guess I'm gonna work on my walk cycle next. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's say add. Give me guys another one. I'm gonna go ahead and call this something like walk. Let's protect it real quick. Walk has all of this.
over everything.
A. And then I'm gonna go to my pose mode. I'm gonna delete all the keyframes. Let's delete keyframes. Make sure that my jump is good. And then I'm gonna go back to my walk. Now, under my walk, I have a regular one. I'm basically gonna do the exact same Shinobi stuff that I did before. I'm gonna select the 2 of those. I'm gonna go with RY, actually RZ. RX, is it X? No? Okay, one at a time, I guess. Let's go with something like RZ. There. Okay, let's go with RY. And then I'm gonna wait. This is gonna be frame 10, right? Oh wow, spot. I'm gonna go with frame 10.
Turning back.
There we go. I'm gonna select that, and then I'm gonna go with RY.
You're gonna be earning
That.
back, 'cause I've been to hell
I'm
and
gonna
back.
go with I, and then I'm
Stay
gonna go
strong. You
here. RY.
And if you get in my
Hey,
way,
speaking of which, I think the 2 of them needed to go back at the same time. So I'm gonna go
after
with
math, when
I.
I attack.
I'm gonna grab that as my first keyframe. Okay, so in my first keyframe, I want my arm to be back. So RY, let's go back.
And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel
Keyframe 0, I want this to be RY.
like this, I'm immortal. When I feel
Then I'm gonna go with. There we go. Go here. Make sure the both are sort of aligned in case they're not. RY. I just need to make sure they're aligned. And now I'm gonna move my body in. I'm gonna go here. RY. Pretty sure this is how I was planning to run, right? Because I don't know any other way to run, okay? And then I'm gonna move my leg. This is my startup position of run. This is gonna be called run. There we go. Because walk isn't even as portion that's fun here. So I want it to be, this is like literally this is like a Naruto style run. I don't want a Naruto style run. I can always change it later on.
How the hell you doing? I've been just fine living life.
RY.
In my mind, all I hear is music. Watching your mouth move, damn you look stupid. I feel like everyone's a stranger. Small talk with your narcissistic neighbor.
The good thing about this is I just gotta move my legs there.
I agree, but you didn't. You wanna get away? You better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say. Can't hold it in this time.
Wait, what you trying to do? Actually, I'm trying to add like a run animation, but apparently it's not that. I can't really get a perfect run animation for some reason. Oh god, it's like. Let's go with RY. Let's go with RY. There we go. And then I'm gonna go with RY. There we go. Okay. Alright, let's test it out. What? Guys, you guys see, this is literally what I mean. I gotta put a higher.
Sometimes I just wanna be a hater. Gotta watch.
Maybe it's not that, maybe it's anyway, guys, in case I'm actually not focusing much on the chat, it's just get this figured out here. There we go. RY, that did the trick. Then I'm gonna go with let's go here. Let's go with RY. You know what? I think I should have done this part with this skin on it with. Now let's see. Guys, what even is this? Like, come on, let's be honest. What even is this? How am I? This looks more funny than it looks like a run. Maybe I gotta look upwards. Let's go with RX. Guys, this is one of the most cursed states because they forgot that if I look up, I can just scare my head off. You know what? RY. There. I'm gonna go with A. That is my first leg. First leg means first hand.
I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back.
And this is going to be my leg going back.
Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain.
Okay, now just my leg goes back, but my arms go back.
Let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die.
What is this? Oh no, RY, I went too much in front.
What you think is
There.
and she like
My arms still look broken from the side for some reason. God.
and die for the things you know you love.
This doesn't even look like a run. Would it be easier if I added like a freaking skateboard down here and then I just made it up for me?
Give me all the scars, I'm a human.
That might be something good. Or I could just go ahead and levitate.
Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know.
I don't know how to add a run animation, to be honest. What if I went to the levitate app?
I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn
I'm
this
gonna go to keyframe 0. Let's
you could never run. I feel this pain.
Okay, let's add a levitate. So I might go here.
Two gains, let my money show. I've
Go
got
first.
things that I can't let
Right.
go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never run. So fight and die
Oh.
for the things you
How did I do
know
it?
you love. Do what you think is right
Why?
and see life do what you want.
Nope, not that.
And fight and die for the things you know you love.
now, how do you levitate? Would it be easier from connection or no? Easier? Why does it feel like I'm always in wireframe when this is not easier? What is the next part? So I'm thinking about just levitating on top of the sky by just holding my legs here. Z, is that Z? Hey, would this be good? Would this be a good pose for idol actually?
Everything I do so instinctive and
Oh, this might be an emote.
so descriptive like an adjective.
Do I want that emote?
Better against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness.
Guys, what is this?
The emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior,
What
inferior.
in the world is this?
Superior, get off of me. This ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want
How
you
do you animate one? I'm trying to get a shortcut out here. I'm gonna animate three.
to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through,
Alright. Let's not
never got anyone's help.
For run, I'm gonna go with something like this. Let's move a bit in front.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you
Line.
and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
With 0. Let's add a keyframe. First, if we get to add a keyframe.
I got no love for the fakeness. Tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show
channel.
and make a statement.
Being incompetent, mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the
Yeah, I didn't save that part on purpose. I don't want that.
I'm saving every day to taste it.
I'm gonna go ahead and create a
I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
add a keyframe.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
Fine, let's leave these two. I can leave the rest.
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate
We
this,
go to 10, we kind of move that.
make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got
The
no
armor too.
for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Yeah, okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and move my, let's say, torso in front first. So I'm gonna go with R. Well, okay, there, and then let's go with I. I want to go with only selected channel, and then let's move our first leg. So I'm gonna go with RY, and then I did R. No? Did I get lucky? I don't think I clicked RY when moving my torso. It's fine.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic.
What would happen if I move my literal
When I take a few shots, they're too toxic, need to take the new song.
You cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with,
that makes sense.
think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as
The other leg goes in front. Hold up, guys, I'm thinking way too hard here. RY.
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard. I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large charging plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna
I may want my back next
I think I've had enough defeat.
I could do in front of one this mission.
We're not as tough though.
I think I've had enough defeat. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who were have-nots, who were not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough defeat. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who were have-nots, who were not as tough as me.
My this leg is supposed to be arched back. There we go. Protect this. This is gonna be my run. Okay, so I just have my arms for now. So first it goes in front. How do you run? But oh guys, let me check. When I'm running, I go this way. That hand. This leg goes in front, the other hand comes. This leg goes in front, that hand comes in front. For 20, I'm gonna go with RY again. Go to keyframe 10 real quick. I'm gonna go here and I want to hit RY. Okay, so I might go to 20 again, and in 20 I might move just a tad bit. Get my root just a bit higher. Not too high, just a bit high. Just a little high. Alright, what is wrong with this arm? This has got to go way more in front. More arched up as well. showing us this thing. But privately, there are a lot of perverts here on YD, and maybe it's actually, I guess. I mean, I didn't actually think of that, but I'm almost done with this, and it's better and less boring doing it on stream, to be honest. What's that? There we go. Okay, honestly, I think I got it. I don't think that I might want to walk. I may not want to add walk here, to be honest, because we can't hear you. Music is loud. Honestly, I did actually work on ducking for music, but let me just guess, my webcam might have gotten really high. So basically, when I talk is when my music gets a little lower. Let me just go ahead and decrease my configuration. There we go. What is wrong with the sunlight? It's very bright. Okay, let's see. I think I've got it. Now voice is better. Yeah, actually, whenever I like talk louder, my music automatically gets a little a bit lower because I worked on that. I think last stream. Okay, that's it. I think I'm actually pretty much done with this. I might actually export it on Blender real quick. Before that, I'm gonna go to my configuration. Let me know once the configuration gets a little bad. Okay, now here's the thing. I'm done with run. I had walk, but I don't really know if I want to add that walk anymore. Okay, let's see. If it does, I might go up there and then Guys, I thought, okay, here's the thing. Should I work on know what to do as well, or should I work on know what like I don't really know, let's see. Because my goal was like I still need to add a few meshes to Nova and all that stuff, like my hair, and then I gotta add some kind of things. So like flip it back, I'm gonna open Nova here, and then let's open Nova. There. Okay, there are definitely a few fixes to do here, because he looks more like a barbarian with this outfit on. But I do need to add some kind of hair, and then he's gonna be like a perfect hey, one thing is good that they're two separate accessories. Hey, he doesn't look that bad if he had it here. Only that does look a little bit like broken brick from here, but I think it looks like it gives him the barbaric look. Hey, you know what? I'm done with rigging, right? Let's work on a bit texture paint. Painting? Hey, I guess let's just go ahead and add a new point here. My color is what is the color for let's say, what is the hex code for the hex code for MAR? Here's the thing, rather than maroon, I could have had this be black, but I don't know, I wanted to be, it gives it like a barbaric look. Okay, I said hex code, right? So it's, wow, it's like 800,000. Let's copy that. I'm gonna go ahead and paste this here. Hey, is that maroon or is like red? Lighter shade of maroon. Can I go there? Hey, doesn't give it a progression. Okay, the lighter shade.
Bloody ends stand from the people who deceive me. Bloody ends break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for claim. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest. Put me to the test.
So wait, it's okay. I think light brown. I'm gonna go with light brown. What is the
lesson? Need a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just hold an obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play it, but you're never gonna be.
I'm gonna copy the hex code here real quick.
Do it easy. I'm
gonna experiment with different colors because I don't know if I want to give a bit of a cyborg look.
She moves, feet hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they
Be
scheme.
a bit darker.
Tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they
Hey,
gave.
I guess I'm gonna be adding some kind of texture to
Strong
my
mind
skin as
causes
well real quick. I'm
mayhem. We
gonna
can
open my
change the
hand up
world,
lens for
change
this.
times,
'Cause I wanna
rearrange
use the
them.
color
Staying on
palette.
pace, running the
Got
race.
it.
Life is a chase, I don't wanna play.
Let's go with something like Hannah Final Blend.
Till I'm in a hearse song.
Here's the thing, I might delete my Final Blend because it has like a whole lot of nothing.
It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off.
Yeah, it's definitely got a whole lot of nothing.
You can stay soft, you can change lives, you create.
Rather, I'm gonna go with the Final Copy Blend, which got all my rigs to
What do
it.
you like? Make a dream job. No
Got all my rigs to
boss,
it.
just my life and free thoughts.
I'm always scared opening it and thinking that one day I'm not gonna be what rig up here. I'm gonna go to modeling.
Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Bloody hands break
Copy my hex code.
people like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me.
If I had rigs, I have a bunch.
Say no,
They're not
free
rigs.
me.
Yeah, well, I don't got bones or anything, but that's fine. I can just go to my animation.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show.
So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you
I'm gonna
see
change the name to just
like something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back.
a Hannah Final Draft.
Got adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back.
Then I'm gonna add this color here.
It's like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back.
Modeling tab. I'm gonna go ahead.
Shit, I go crazy when I'm mad.
Why is my
And now you go wish.
oh wow, my leg is a whole different organ.
And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no
Gonna go here. Wow, my face is not the same as my body.
It's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty.
Hey, is it just me or was this supposed to be my entire body that's covered? Oh no. What are those cracks for? It's not even only that, it's just that is so strange.
Do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that.
I'm going here, I'm gonna go ahead and oh god.
To make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad.
Please tell me it did not work?
Gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
I mean, okay, look, here's the thing. Even if it doesn't work, it's not like it matters much. Just
And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's
I
no
don't know what color. Oh god. Should I make a mask for my face then? I know, I'm pretty sure this should be black. No? Metallicity.
I got a switch in my head. I go from living to dead. You got me
Rubber
seeing
now.
all red. Now I'm becoming a threat. I fucking heard what you said. I'll make you have some regrets. And no, I never forget. So now you have a few debts. That shit, it needs to be paid with blood or some sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear. I feel
What is the IOR actually? I've never heard
it's here.
of that.
The sound of deafening fear.
Yeah, the automatically makes it look gross. This was with the Iowa.
My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he stabs me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential, I need a burst.
Fine, black is it.
No
Black it
limit,
is.
I don't play no gimmicks. I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place. So
Hey, will half an alpha actually be visible on Unreal Engine? I do not know. If it does, this will make it look so much better. Okay, well, like, this is definitely going to be black would look better. Right? Guys, give me color recommendations. How is that? Even if he was an NPC, this would be more like a boss than an actual character up here. Like, there is no shot this looks like a regular NPC rather than a boss. And even if I would have attacked, it would have made the most sense to attack my leader back there. Hey, I'm glad I got my shoes on. I can add color texture to my shoes. What color is this? This is so confusing. Since when was coloring so hard? The hell? I'm gonna copy this color. Because last I checked, coloring used to be a piece of cake back in my days. Which is not really that old, but still. Interesting. I love the muscles on the legs though, it's so good. I actually somehow managed to keep the muscle definition of the legs. Can this just hit it for a bit? Guys, why am I making a... This is so funny. Why am I making a modern, classy looking, Alright, tell me guys. Why am I making a girl who looks like this fight a guy who looks like a freaking caveman out here with like an ancient... with not an ancient, with whatever this is. I thought I wanted to make wings, but I couldn't make wings. I ended up adding poles here, like with a sidebar. What does this come to? And yeah, this center lines that you guys see was an absolute accident, so that's not my fault either. All it's got is a lot of mentions. I don't understand. What is this? What is leading up to this? Black. Black does not consider any other recommendation. How's that look? No, guys, this doesn't make sense in the least. Okay, as for the color, it does make sense. I might change the skin tone to be a bit darker. Oh wow, I kind of ruined these. Why the hell is my head, my face, still white though? Alright, this keeps. Okay, this is cute.
Now the time has passed. I see when we were lonely. Should let me speed it up.
Alright, every enough and friend has been but alright, my head does not look like it's the same tone as not as this other color. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna make sure everything is good.
I know you told
much
your
brighter.
friend you're not.
I don't even need to recheck the other
Tell
stuff.
me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that
Okay,
way.
I guess let's go there.
Cause you're trying to
Start
stay
there.
strong and
Guys,
fake
it's
a
so
smile
sunny. I do not like sun.
till I look away.
Guys could call me like
Known you too long,
Dracula.
it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
There we go. Okay, so I've got shoes, I've got pants, I've got shirt. Okay, I gotta Google the barbarian.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in and
Oh
out.
wow, this does not look like a barbarian at all. Let's go to the game.
Okay, just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me.
There we go, this gives me more of a caveman
I
vibe.
never really asked to be
There, I don't have like, oh god, this is a hybrid. This is a hybrid barbarian.
in the lows. No, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't.
Should I make him look classy?
Sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you
And let me just go to my OBS real quick. I'm gonna go to my webcam and oh god, my video configuration has oh shoot, I deactivated.
said you felt that
Get me for a bit.
Cause you're
There we go, much better.
trying to fake a smile until I
Okay, now I'm gonna just go back here. I think I got it.
long it hurts to
Make it
watch
a
your
little bit
blue
darker.
eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Copy the hex. I'm gonna go for my regular body.
Fade away.
Okay, we'll paste it here, and then I'm gonna go with that's there. Let's go ahead and paste it. There we go. He's less fair compared to the other one. Mixed up, and then he's like go back. And then my wristband could be oh god, it's so funny. But guys, I'm just gonna close it like that. There we go, much better. I'm gonna go back to OBS. There we go, I just wanted to make sure I'm not relenting. What color boots? Totally not blue boots.
Your friend, you're not okay.
Black boots.
Tell me what's wrong and why you
Okay, he does look somewhat like he does not look like an enemy. He looks more like
stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
I like the fair color here, the light brown color. That gives it the good look.
Fade away. As you fade away.
It's really easier to check it through the But guys, I think that I nailed the muscles here. Like that looks absolutely good. So goes with the chest and like I don't have abs, but then the thing that I'm really proud of is like the legs here, the calf muscles here.
You're not okay.
You guys might think I'm a muscle geek. I'm
Tell
really
me
not.
what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Okay, hey, at least I got a neck here, which is not separated with my head. That's a win.
Look away.
My wrist could be black. My wristbands could be. My armband could be black. I don't have a glove. This could be red. Red. Oh, a darker shade of red does look good. I want to go with red here. Go there, and then I'm gonna copy the RGB. Hey guys, I never told you guys how professional this model is gonna look. Oh wow. Okay, I think I'm getting somewhere. Let's make this radioactive. Let's change the color to dark green. Oh god, that does not suit it. Got two reds for the blue. Oh no, the red does not look good. Guys, give me some color representation. What is going on right now? Red boots, fair skin, black shorts, red belt. It's actually not red. It looks like bluish color. Trying to see the color. Hey, it looks nice. It looks like a stone. Hold up. Alright, got it. This is my NPC. You guys can't tell me this looks awful or gross. He has a freaking concrete stuck to his... It's literally gushing out of his skin, the concrete here. It's kind of see-through a little, and then it's pretty good, and then it's got a nice stain, perfect. Good job. Wow. The thing that I love the most is the pants got some tears from the side. It looks like this guy is an NPC. He's been struggling a little. Same goes with the belt. Guys, the belt is basically levitating if you guys look from down there. That's literally levitating up here. Like from right there. I don't even know what's holding the belt in. That's okay, I think I've got this, right?
Never really know just what you want.
Is there
With you, I don't
anything
ever feel
else?
calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with
Does
me.
black shoe look good, or should I go with the same
You
color?
don't understand the pain it brings.
I'd go with the light brown
You
shoe.
don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me
Oh god, this
You know
somehow this managed to look so good.
twisted. You've been
Of
gifted.
course, my character won't be really bothered.
Even when I've been screwed, dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything
Black is
is
better,
like a
right?
test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
Guys, these muscles, they look so good. They're so detailed somehow. Mostly the calf muscles. What? How are any muscles so detailed? Okay, I guess we're gonna go for the next part now. Here's the thing, I'm either gonna be working on it this stream or next stream. Before I got college, so I don't know much about that. Cause I have like a few days.
Play dead. Will you
Do I wanna work on the hair?
that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing. And my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you, I'm losing. I feel like you think that
Do
this
I wanna work on the hair?
and they're gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded?
Okay, I guess let's just get it done.
The conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid.
Yeah, I just got hair left, so I'll just get it over with.
I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted.
I'm gonna save a copy cause this is gonna be Nova.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want.
Nova.
With you, I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with
Okay,
me.
and then I'm just gonna
You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings.
I messed my spelling up
Never
now.
wanna set me free.
Guys, I don't know what's getting me going right now. I'm done with most. I've realized once I'm done with this. Radioactive now. Mannequin. Close. Texture. Oh shoot! I shouldn't have added texture. All right. Just making sure, in case I don't have my copy here, I want to make sure that this is actually okay. This has my textures. Therefore, I'm gonna go up there, and let's go to my shading tab. I'm gonna go ahead and read every last shading here. Oh wow! Why did my skin so? Oh god, I gotta remove from every spot. The purpose of this was to just have my clothes made here. Texture is gonna be, I'm gonna go and see. Texture is this one's job. There. Clothes does not consist of hair, right? Complete with hair. Okay, this is going to be where I work on my hair. Okay, now, do I want a hair or should I go with the hat? Should I take the easy way out or should I go the harder way? Okay, so I'm gonna go there. Let's go ahead and hide my nose for now. Let's hide my nose for now. I'm gonna close that. I'm gonna close that. I'm gonna rapidly create a new collection called hair. Let's watch a YouTube video real quick. How to model hair for male.
Welcome to my party. We're just getting started. Life is
How to model hair for male character on Blender. So there is anime male character modeling. These I just needed to do one series, like it's done.
crashing in my car.
Okay, now that your model set up all ready to go, just click on it to select it. Okay, create hair. Oh wow, is that? Oh, adding the hair strands. What? Wait, it's like the 100th time I see a Blender tutorial with a solution. Okay, just get the specific add-on. Hold up, I don't want to get any add-ons. I just want to model the hair. Okay, how to create fast stylized hair. Okay, I do agree my music is a tad bit louder. Stylized hair. And then in Blender, alright, let's get to the tutorial.
Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make us feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, hearts full of
Okay, why do they go so quick? Guys, I'm not going to be looking at the comments for a bit, so...
fabulous, can't wait to apply all those mathematics.
Curve, I gotta create a path curve, and I gotta create a bezier curve.
I'm about to pop up.
So let's go with Shift A, I'm gonna go with curve, I'm gonna create a path.
Never really want a boss.
Shift A, I'm gonna go with the curve, let's go with
Something I can't undo.
we got a path and we got a circle.
I want
Go
to.
ahead and
Something
do two things. Delete to rotate it today. Rotate it
Straight to the face, and I wanna get lost. I'm sick of this place, don't know how to stop.
I'm gonna go with RZ.
6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get on say.
So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots.
Then I'm gonna go with
I'm taking 6
Y.
shots straight to the face. And I wanna get lost. I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm in this place. So I'm taking 6 shots.
EZ.
Feeling okay.
There.
I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'm
Okay, guys, go here. And then click on the data option on the right side.
with me.
have object. Oh god, I missed the whole thing. So I see geometry. Object, circle. Oh wow.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the
Oh,
pace.
whoa.
And I always take what I want, and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no,
I'd rather scale
play the
YouTube
game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's
Well,
time
I guess that's fine.
the enemy. Look in the
Okay, look at the
mirror,
zero
he is no
curve.
friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me.
Is it just me or my circle is actually
Everything you can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over
okay?
everything.
And then in edit mode, I can just go ahead and change this strings up. Okay, make it go like
And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I
okay, so I guess we're going here. We're going edit mode, and then let me just see what we did again. Okay, so start circle. I'm gonna just here. Whoa. Hold up, let's get to edit mode right now. Okay, so we're in edit mode, and then tab, I'm gonna go and click the top one and the left one and the right one. I'm gonna decrease this a tad bit, so I'm gonna go with GZ. Oh, this is more than a tad.
I'm so gone,
Then I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna
I won't stop
extend that a bit.
till there's nothing left.
Get that higher. Let's go with the
You're gonna be hurting back, 'cause I've been to hell and back. You don't
How come his one looks so much better than my one?
You will never see me
I'm
crack.
gonna go with A, R,
You gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack.
I think I'll have to do it this way. And then I'm gonna extend this part.
And when I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Oh god, this is so hard.
Like this, I'm
It's not hard, I'm just sort of distracted. Not distracted, I just need a better tutorial. Then let's go with S. Then I'm gonna go with GC. Make it look like a diamond, right? No wonder I got this freaking proportional editing on, that's why. There we go. Oh god, what did I do with that? No, I messed this up. Cheesy, get higher. Cheesy, get higher. Then and then I'm gonna go here. Let's go with this GY.
Hey man, how the hell you doing?
There.
Fine living life with the
Want it to be a bit sharp.
my mind. All I hear is music. Watching your mouth move. Damn, you look stupid.
Whoa, what just happened?
Everyone's a stranger.
Self-divide, okay, so we select this side, and then we select that side.
Hot, but they said you never date her. Ha, I agree, but you did, and I hate
This side, that side,
you. Better
that
get in
side,
line.
self-divide.
Another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say. Can't hold it in this time. Got no filter. I got no filter.
Oh, I see, okay, so I just gotta basically play around with this.
No filter. I got no filter. No filter.
What if I decrease that?
No filter. I got no filter.
Okay, and then I'm gonna decrease that. I'm gonna go ahead and just add my... And then I'm gonna go to the other side of the...
Hey man, can I get a favor? Yeah, sure.
Okay,
Later. Sometimes I just wanna be a hater. Gotta watch down the top 40s with a chaser. Your voice starts
I can't even lie right now. I have almost no clue what to do with this. I'm gonna hit my luck again. Let's see what's really fun. So I'm gonna be pushing my luck here one more time. You guys might think, what do I mean by pushing my luck one more time? I'm basically gonna go ahead and open my Solution Explorer here real quick. Let's go to my Solution Explorer. Then I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my Blender meshes. I'm gonna have a hair mesh, which I did open before as well. Please tell me the side curve that I created here. Yeah, because when I did this, I had a lot of time in hand and I had less exhaustion with me as well. That said, please tell me if I were to go to object mode, select this, edit mode. Oh, yes, this is something that I need. I want to export this. I will select that. I will select, no. Don't select anything but these. I'm gonna select them and then I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna export as an SPX file. I'm gonna export it to desktop, called something like hair.fpx. Selected objects only. There. Then I'm gonna hit and now if I go to my desktop, I'm gonna exit that. I'm gonna go ahead and open my desktop here. I should I'm gonna import it up.
Never forget what it's like to be in debt, baby.
Then the import. Did I not import?
You what happens? Pass me the mic and I'll
Import FBX, okay.
I feel this
Yeah.
you already know. Turn that to my money show. I've got these things.
Oh, you're kidding me.
Go watch me turn this life into something.
This is nothing like my Bezier curve that I was looking for.
Feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show.
This was a risk, but fine, it's fine. I'm gonna go with shit.
Life into something that you can never
Then let's go with the Y.
for the things you know you love.
Here's the thing, I don't really know much about hairs here, but I know this much that this hair won't really work as I want it to. You guys might think why, because if I go to edit mode, there's no shot that I can actually change it, because this has got way more vertices up here, so that's
So give me all the scars, I'm a human being.
unless I manually don't do a lot here, I don't think
Knew it
there's
from
much
the
that can
start,
happen.
you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know.
You guys see what I mean?
Two gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this.
Hey, you know what? Let's delete that. Let's go ahead and delete the Bezier first. I'm gonna go ahead and mention all that stuff, but one here.
Things that I can't let
Do
go.
I even need hair if I can have a hood on? Hood is going to be nice. You guys may think that I'm doing this because I'm just chickening out because I don't really wanna work on the hair. That is actually kind of Should I be hasty? Hair is the only thing that I'm missing, and then I did not gotta worry about modeling again for this series because I'm done modeling literally everything. Yeah, there's gonna be no weapons here. Everything is gonna be like a melee fight. Just gotta add rigs to this, and that's gonna be it. I wanna add hair, and what happened to my game here real quick? Hold up, let me just move on to oh wait, not okay, I do not want to procrastinate right now, but how many days we got left for this video? What do it next? I also gone to the next one. What day was this?
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
Okay, it's day 221. I've got 29 days. 29 days. I'm gonna be needing to go VFX, sound effects. So tomorrow I could go ahead and be done. Okay, here's another caution. Tomorrow I got college. I'm gonna be streaming at the same exact time when I started streaming today, but then I might not be able to get as much done in case I have my exams coming up. I gotta think about that as well. Thinking of all that, I've got about
The emptiness hilarious. You think you're worth
29 days, right? So even if I do take 9 days to work on my hair, which I will not, I'm taking like an exaggerated amount of time here. So 9 days to get my hair done, and then I'm going to be working. I'm going to be having 24 days, and then I gotta go ahead and ship it. That's maybe just 1 day, and then I'm going to have to add wigs. That's, let's see, 3 days. 9, I'm going to be at 10. 14 days, that's going to leave me with about a lot of days. I have 29 days, and then I gotta make VFX. Let's say another 5 days. I gotta make another 5 days. So 24 days we're at. I'm sitting at a nice little 5 days at hand in case I want to go ahead and add some UIs, some extra UIs, because I gotta draw for all UIs. Alright, procrastination won't hurt much here. It's not really procrastination. I'm just a bit exhausted and I want to watch a YouTube video while actually listening to them. I did the same thing last stream, but I didn't really. Let's just go ahead and save everything here. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the main camera. And let me increase my gain just a tad bit more because I think okay, perfect. Alright guys, so basically that was pretty much it for the stream. I did actually work on more than I wanted to. I added actually I worked on exactly what I wanted to. Actually, I worked on everything that I wanted to besides what I really had to do today. Today, all I had to do was work on textures and modeling hair for my character, for my Nova. But then, next stream, I'm gonna be working on the hair. This stream, I worked on actually animating rigs or creating rigs for my Hannah, adding texture to my Nova, and that was basically it. All my rigs were pretty good. I think I'm pretty much done with everything that I got to do with Hannah. I might not add even the box and all that stuff. And that said, if you guys did enjoy the stream, don't forget to like, subscribe, like it, my algorithm sure makes you smile, subscribe to the share top. That said, I did start multi streaming. I will start multi streaming on Twitch and take one city better graphics card. I'm going to start streaming on Instagram and TikTok once I meet the followers requirements. So if you guys enjoy my content, haven't followed me there, make sure to follow me there. The link is going to be in the description. The link is going to be in the bio. You guys can get access to the link for my Instagram by tapping !socials all lowercase on chat, and also join the Discord server. That's where we talk to you guys, chat to you guys, have different conversations. The link is going to be in the description. The link is going to be in the bio. You guys can get access to my Discord link by tapping on chat. That said, in my Discord server, I usually talk to you guys, chat to you guys, have different conversations. I did add in new memes this channel, which I am pretty excited about seeing what kind of memes that you guys actually set there. But be sure to go over the server wiki and also the server root to see the kinds of memes you guys can send or you guys can send. Okay guys, I just realized my cats and cats sounded the same. And that said, I'll see you guys next time for more video.
Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the